Hi, I'm Cliff, and this is outside my garage. And today we're dealing with a busted off pipe. I'm gonna show you how to get it out of there. Hey, welcome back to Outside the Garage. And if this is your first time joining me, thanks for dropping by. So today I got a problem. I've got an irrigation pipe riser that is broken off, and it's broken off clean at the fitting. So there's no way to get hold of it with a wrench or anything. But there is a way to get it out of there, and I'm going to show you how we do that. Let's get started. Okay, so here's what we're dealing with. You can see the pipe got hit by something and knocked clean off. There's no way I can get hold of this with anything like a wrench or something. Some of these fixtures are more intelligently designed where they screw in. When they do break off, the inside is shaped like a hex bolt, and you can get hold of it with like a hex driver, or some are even square, like even shove in like a ratchet or a driver with a square head like this one, and you can just back them right out. This one, not so intelligently designed. It's all round. So I'm going to use something, I think their official name is an extractor, a pipe extractor, something. We always called them getter outers. I inherited a whole set of these from my dad. The only ones I have are much smaller than this, much larger than this, and this size, which is almost too small, but I think it's going to fit. As you can see, the spiral pattern is backwards from what you would expect a bolt to be, so that when you're turning it in a unscrewed direction, it is digging in and driving itself deeper. So hopefully this is going to grab hold of this properly. We just shove it in. I got a socket, it's the right size to fit on the square, back in there, and let's just digs in, and it comes right out beautifully. Of course, sometimes the issue is getting it off of here, and sure enough, it's dug in so hard I can't get hold of it. But I'll just take this to the shop, grab an advisor, grab it with a pair of channel lock pliers, and it'll come right off of there. All right, sweet. I love it when something works the way it's supposed to. That was fast and easy. It's out. I can now replace the sprinkler head and make my wife happy by getting all this working again. Please go down there, find that thumbs up button, click on it, give us a like on the video, subscribe to the channel. You'll learn all kind of cool things. And if you do subscribe to the channel, and you know you want to, make sure you click on that bell icon so that you get notified every time I post anything from inside or outside of Cliff's garage. I'll see you next time.